Hey everyone, I just wanted to jump in real quick. I know it's a little late, but I wanted to go over everyone who got the free spins for doing different things for last month. So we have LaFonda Robbins. She invited over 10 people to our instant results testimonial group. So she gets a free spin. And then referring a rep with a kit between August 18th and August 31st, Susie Tower gets 1 spin and Olga gets 3 spins. So I am going to share my screen really quick and do those. So share my screen. Then I have to find it. There it is. Okay, hopefully y'all can see that. So first we're going to do LaFonda. So LaFonda wins $20 cash. Okay. So 20 cash. And then Susie Tower. Hopefully y'all can still see this. Susie gets our Momentum Makers book. All right. So that is stories. I was one of the featured leaders in that book, but it is stories of people that have made 6 and 7 figures and even 8 figures a year in network marketing, different stories on how they did it. And so my story is featured in there also. So if you read other people's success stories, a lot of times you can get ideas of how to do it for yourself. All right, now Olga, she gets 3 spins because she referred 3 people who each got a kit during August 18th through 31st. And remember, for the September, for my birthday gift from September 18th through the end of the month of September, I'm also offering that. Okay, so Olga, your first gift is 4-pack of focus patches. So 4-pack focus. And then Olga's second spin. Get the Momentum Makers book. Okay. And for her third spin, Olga gets a 4-pack of rum. All right, thanks everyone. I hope you enjoyed that, and make sure you join my group challenges to see what you can win for the next month. Thanks everyone.